just over half of the additional military forces that I ordered to Afghanistan in December have now arrived, with the remainder due by this summer.
For it is the message that will stay with them the remainder of their lives.
Even as we confront immediate challenges, we must also summon the foresight to look beyond them and consider, what are we trying to build over the long term? What is the world that awaits us when today's battles are brought to an end? And that is what I would like to talk about with the remainder of my time today. But two things that I think might be worth focusing on in the remainder of our time would be, one, the issue that's already been raised, the issue of agriculture. Drawn down our troops. The remainder of our troops will be coming out by the end of this year, but Iraq has been able to maintain a democratic government and to tamp down violence there. We think a similar approach makes sense in Afghanistan. But even in Iraq, you still see the occasional attack. So with the remainder of my time today, I want to focus on 5 areas where we can do more.
Wish you pleasant and productive stay in South Africa for the remainder of your visit.
U.S. policy towards the Middle East and North Africa, and what will be my policy during the remainder of my presidency. Again, I want to thank Ben Bernanke for the outstanding work that he's done, and obviously he will continue to help keep our economy moving forward during the remainder of his tenure here. So I've got some thoughts about how we can move forward in the remainder of the year and stay focused on the job at hand, because there's a lot of work ahead of us, including our need to earn back the trust of the American people that's been lost over the last few weeks. But last week, he informed me that Republicans will continue to block a vote on immigration reform, at least for the remainder of this year.
We have the cheapest energy in the world. We are the epicenter of energy, and will remain so for the remainder of this century.
Would you please elaborate that for your office so far, what have you done to enable the reaching this target? And we are more interested that for the remainders of the office, what will you do still further to reach that goal? Thank you.
I'm very much looking forward to the remainder of my time here in Washington.
And precisely because I have so much confidence in you, I'm not going to spend the remainder of my time telling you exactly how you're going to make the world better.